A profit factor of 12.69, a win rate above 68%, and the most shocking stat, a maximum drawdown of only 0.05%. Yes, you heard that right, practically zero risk so far. But the real question is, can these fantastic numbers last in the long run, or is it just beginner's luck on gold? Let's dissect the data. Let's start with the basics. This account was launched with an initial deposit of $500. Since it went active on February 20th, 2026, this EA, named MATrader AI, has generated a profit of $6.90, representing a 1.40% gain. If you look at the growth chart, the line is extremely stable, climbing gradually without any sharp drops. What stands out the most here is the security. The drawdown is locked at 0.05%. This indicates a very defensive strategy, or the use of tight stop losses to keep equity intact. Diving into the advanced statistics, this is where we see the inner workings of the strategy. Out of a total of 16 trades, the win rate sits at 68%. However, the true star here is the profit factor of 12.69. This means that for every dollar lost, this EA generated nearly $13 in profit. The average win is 68 cents, while the average loss is only -12 cents. Pay attention to the average trade length, just 37 seconds. This confirms that this EA is a high-frequency scalper, getting in and out of the market at lightning speed to take small but consistent gains. There's an interesting detail in the trade summary. So far, the EA is only trading one instrument, XAUUSD, or gold. Even more unique, every position taken has been a long, or buy. It hasn't taken a single short position yet. This strategy managed to win 11 out of those 16 buy positions. Focusing on only one side of the market momentum is often a way for EAs to avoid dangerous two-way volatility in the gold market. For those of you looking to run an EA with raw spreads and fast execution like this, using a low-latency broker is highly recommended. I personally use XNES for this setup to ensure these 30-second scalps are fully optimized. If you're interested in trying it out, I've included the broker registration link and VPS recommendations in the video description below. Let's examine the trading history directly. The EA is using the smallest lot size, 0.01, which is very sensible for preserving psychology and account longevity. Every position is equipped with a clear take profit, TP, and stop loss, SL. Most of the profits accumulated are around the 90 pips range, or about 83 cents per trade. The trade duration is also very consistent, with many closing within seconds to just a few minutes. This is disciplined sniper-style scalping. Looking at the monthly performance, in February 2026, the EA recorded a 0.32% gain, and in March, the performance improved significantly to 1.05%. While these numbers might seem small to some, remember this is done with absolute minimal risk. Consistency month over month is far more valuable than a huge profit that ends in a margin call. As a comparison, let's look at the results from the master account belonging to the developer. The developer has been running this strategy for 20 weeks with total growth of 51%. The developer's statistics show an even higher win rate of 90.5% out of 221 trades. Although they have a higher drawdown, around 18%, this is normal given the much longer trading duration. This gives us a picture that the long-term potential of this EA is quite promising if managed correctly. To conclude, MATrader AI has shown a very solid performance so far as a low-risk scalper. With a double-digit profit factor and a drawdown under 1%, this EA is suitable for those who prioritize capital safety above all else. Its gold scalping strategy is precise in capturing small momentums. If you want to learn how to install it, configure it, and get the exact presets I use, make sure to watch part 1 of this expert advisor review on my channel playlist. See you in the next review.